Good morning, everybody. This is Adam. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome back. And today I am cooking some delicious cauliflower. And this is almost done. Well, it's pretty much done. I've been steaming it for about 10-15 minutes in chicken broth. And you can use chicken broth from some ramen packages if you'd like, or any choice of your chicken broth, homemade chicken broth, whatever you want. There's spices you can put into it, chopped onion for flavor. You can add it to cream of mushroom soup when you're done. You can add it to your clam chowder. I like to just use it in dishes like rice or scrambled eggs. I save the stalks and cut them so I can repurpose those and regrow those. Those will reroot in soil later on. So here's the cauliflower. It's all done. It took on a little bit of yellowing color from the turmeric that's in chicken broth packages. It's tender, delicious, and when you scramble it with potatoes or eggs, it'll take on the flavor of the potato. It'll take on the flavor of eggs. Whatever spices you use, it's going to take on that flavor and give it more of a savory taste. So anyone that's wondering what to do with your cauliflower, there you go. Enjoy. Thank you.